Yeah, they are.
They're right behind them, right?
Isn't that crazy?
Follow me back to my den. Be in that group?
Probably.
Well, let's see. I'm looking.
What did we see? 6 babies?
Oh, they're running. The wolf's after them.
Yeah, the wolves are after them again. They're on their way.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Here, hon, look quick.
They're showing up good with binoculars.
Oops, now they're behind the hill.
Yep. Yep, I see him coming past the left there.
I got my first wolf spot. Yay. I see one right by the out there.
They're standing their ground.
Yeah. Yes. Now that was really cool. Oh, now it's chasing the wolf back.
The elk's chasing the wolf. I see that. That was funny.
Yeah.
Let's play chase each other this morning.
It's like, let's warm up. So let's do a couple jogs around the river.
Wow.
That one's really chasing.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Got one off.
Yep.
Yeah. She's going back to the water though as quick as she can. That's what